Side today. Got Michael's car, Chris Tootin's cars here in front of me. They adjusting the wheelie bars. However, helped Teddy out this week, kind of get caught up on this thing. Let's do a little video of it. But we appreciate y'all. We beat the rain. Now we're going through. Let's get these cars. Alright now, so we had a good night here at Shady Side. We had a dome sensor fail. I was going to record all that, but my phone was 2%. I didn't want to die. My truck's on empty, got 3 miles to empty. Last week I ran out of gas on the way home, so it is what it is. But we got a little grudge race with me and old Dennis. So old Turbo Dennis on his turbo moped. I ain't really got a turbo on, but we'll call him Turbo Dennis. I'm gonna give him a 60-foot hit, and we're gonna race him on the Jeep with the trailer and everything, all of us in it, and we're gonna see if we can catch him. Dennis, good luck to you. You're gonna need it.
The Jeep's coming for lucky? You. The lucky wiener?
I got my lucky wiener with me. You out of luck, Dennis. If you ain't got your lucky wiener with you, Dennis, you messed up, son. You messed up. I got the lucky wiener on board. All right, come here, Dennis. Where's Dennis now? Dennis, come here. Come here, Dennis. Hey, I got a question. Turn your music off. I got a question. How much did you go pay Zach to tell us we couldn't race tonight? You guys gonna wear that butt out. So you asked went through and went and paid him. I know, I see you slide on. You went and paid him, so I couldn't outrun you tonight. Yeah, that's what it was.
That's the only thing I had. Hey, they'll be next week.
Alright, I'll see you next week. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, got some gas out here at Shady Side. We got Kate's new bike. We'll talk more about it in just a minute. I just got the swing arm built off. I borrowed the wheel off our other bike while our other wheel was getting machined. It'll be bad. Let's see if we can get a motor pass. Take all day. That bitch ripped out of here, didn't it?
I can feel it through the shifts. It's like hitting like a, I don't know. It's dropping though.
Well, we ain't got
It's not staying running. Because when I shifted it, I feel it go.
Okay, it's probably lean. Let's get the laptop real quick. We'll throw it again. How pissed are they about to be? They're gonna fuck me up. I'm gonna fuck them up. Look at them. Madder than hell. Next victims. Damien said he seen them yesterday. Like to light their ass up. They're gonna light me up one.